Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to go step by step through how to use the MT4 to MT4 Trade Copier. All right. So now basically a trade copier is one of the most useful tools for traders who manage more than one account. All right, because it allows you to duplicate trades automatically across accounts without needing to enter them manually. Okay, so let us start with what an MT4 to MT4 trade copier is. Simply put, it's a software or plugin that connects two MT4 platforms together. All right, so one account is called the master account and the other is called the slave account. Okay, so whenever a trade is opened, modified, or closed on the master account, the copier instantly replicates the same action on the slave account. Okay, so this automation makes it much easier to manage multiple accounts at the same time. Now, how do you set up the MT4 to MT4 trade copier? The first step is to download and install the trade copier software. So you will usually receive two versions. All right, let's try to download it here from the MQL5 marketplace. So you usually receive two versions, which is one for the master account and one for the slave account. You place both files into the experts folder of your MT4 platform. Okay. So, that method is if you downloaded the file from a particular source. All right. But you can see that this particular method I use right now, I just downloaded it straight from the MQL5 marketplace, and you can see that it appeared here in my expert advisors automatically, right? Because the MQL5 site just linked it to my MT4 platform. Okay, so depending on how you download the software, you might need to restart your MT4 platforms so that the new files will appear in your navigator panel. Now, the third step is to open your master account and you attach the master copier to any chart. Well, depending on how the nature of the software, right, how it comes, if it comes with a master software and a slave software, then you do that accordingly, right? If it comes as a single software, then of course just follow the prompts, follow the directions given, okay, on how to use the software. All right, so you can see, to use it, add the script on both platforms, activate the auto trading button for the order copier, principal equal to main, copier equal to copy. All right, so basically just follow the instructions given for that software, right? Just follow the instructions and you are good to go. Okay, so maybe you would have to open your master account and attach the master copier, or my MT4 is not responding at this time. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm back here. So let's attach this to our chart and see what comes out of it. All right, so like I said, okay, this is principal, mode is principal. All right, okay, so principal is for the main, copier is for the copy. All right, okay. So it seems like this particular software is just one. That's why I said it depends on the nature of the software. Some might come with two different softwares, maybe one for the master, one for the copy. But then as you can see, this one, you have to set the mode to principal. That is for the main account, right? Then if this is my account I'm using to copy, then I have to set it to copy. Okay. Then you can see you set the slippage out as well. All right. You add, ensure that your auto trading is turned on. So this is super easy to use. Okay. So as you can see, the indicator is active, right? It's active. So if I had another MT4, platform that I wanted to copy my trades on, I just have to go add this indicator there and set it to copy instead of that principal, right? Instead of that principal, just gonna set it to copy. Okay, super easy. All right. So it's very important that you test the setup. Okay, configure the settings, adjust parameters such as lot size, risk percentage, whatever settings are available for you to adjust. Okay, make sure you set this according to your trading style. Then you test the setup, place a trade on the master account and check if the slave account copies it instantly. So if the trade appears on both platforms, the copier is working correctly. All right. So there are a few common mistakes traders often make with the MT4 to MT4 Trade Copier. One mistake is not running both platforms at the same time. For the copier to work, both the master and slave MT4 terminals must remain open and connected to the internet. Another mistake is misconfiguring lot size settings, which can lead to trades being too large or too small. Always double check your settings before going live. Okay, the benefit of using the MT4 to MT4 Trade Copier is convenience. It allows you to manage multiple accounts at once without missing trades or making manual, entry errors. So it's efficient, fast, and probably reliable when it comes to executing your trades for you automatically, right? That's when it is set up properly. Okay, so to recap, you install the copier software, attach the master copier to the account you want to copy from, and attach the slave copier to the account you want to copy to. That is if the expert advisor comes in two, right? But if it comes at just one, just follow the instructions and set the parameters accordingly, both for the master account and the slave account. Okay. So once that is done, your MT4 to MT4 Trade Copier should be ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This way you always have access to simple step-by-step guides that make your trading tools easier to use. See you in the next video.